Yeah. Good morning, students. Today we are discussing last problem of the chapter motions. Okay. What is that means? Just observe. It's given like this. Third problem. Okay. Third problem. A man. A man is 48 meters behind. A man is 48 meters behind. Behind a bus which is at rest. The bus stops acceleration. Acceleration at the rate of 1 meters per second square. At the same time, the man starts running. At the same time, the man starts running. The man starts running with uniform velocity. Uniform velocity of 10 meters per second. What is the minimum time? What is the minimum time in which the man catches the bus? Man catches the bus. That is a problem. Okay. This is a problem. I have to prove. I have to find. Means first we are reading the problem. Okay. What is there we are observing in that problem? What are the all topics are there we are checking. In this one, a man. So one man is there. It is 48 meters behind a bus. So one man and a bus. Two objects are there, which is at a rest. The bus starts acceleration at the rate of this bus. At the same time, the man starts running with the uniform velocity of this one. What is the minimum time? So here in this problem, totally after observing everything, totally two different objects are there. One is a man, and another one is a bus. Totally two objects are there. Those two are moving ones. How those are? What is their status? We're discussing that one. Okay, we're observing that one. A man is 48 meters behind a bus. So he's back of bus. So 48 meters distance he's back of a bus, which is at a rest. Which is at a rest means bus is at a rest. Means at that situation bus is not moving. That is at a rest. Okay. Then the bus starts acceleration at the rate of 1 meters per second. Immediately bus started with acceleration 1 meters per second. At the same time, the man also starts running with a uniform velocity. If that is starting, at the same time, man also running with a high speed, 10 meters per second. Then what is the time? After how much time both the bus and the man intersects? Means touches at one point, meets at one point, exact point. Meets at a point is a problem. Shortly. Where is shortly? Here totally bus is there, back of bus one person is there, bus is moving with some acceleration, man is moving with some velocity. After some time, they both meets at one point. How much time after, sir? He asked. Okay, now I'm going to start. Right, now observe. By the diagram, by the problem, I understood here one person is there. Okay, here one bus is there. Like that. This is one bus. Both are moving like this. Here one person is there. One person. He is also running like this. And this is also moving like this. Okay, that is the topic. This one in the starting 0, but this one is having acceleration a equal to 1 meters per second square, and he is walking with a velocity 10 meters per second. So v equal to 10 meters per second. How? I will explain. Okay, after some time they both meets at one point. So here topic is this is a point A, and this point is a B, and at this point is a C. This is a given problem. What is the topic means? Here one person is there, but in the problem he only mentioned that one very clearly. He is 48 meters behind, sir. This person is 48 meters behind the bus, sir. This person is 48 meters behind the bus, sir. He is 48 meters back of that bus, sir. This is discussed. Means distance between this one to this one is 48 meters. That is the data which is given. Okay. Next. Now at present, if you think bus, okay, if you think about the bus, that is at rest, which is at rest. So here it's a rest position. At rest position means it's not having any velocity. That is nothing but initial velocity is 0. Okay, and after that acceleration is happening this much. After some time, this bus slowly comes here. This bus slowly comes here. And same like that only, this person also fastly reaches this place. He is running. Okay, bus is moving slowly, dum, like that. Bus is moving. He is super fastly moving. Then only both can reach at one point. That is the problem. Okay, now I'm thinking. Okay, now I'm starting. Actually, what I have to find? How much time are? I don't know. I'm thinking maybe after 5 seconds they both may meet here, or otherwise after 8 seconds they both may meet here, or otherwise after 12 seconds they both meet here at this position, or otherwise 20 seconds, something 50 seconds, 1 hour, something, I don't know. Okay, so here I'm going to take how many seconds, I don't know. That only I have to find out. So I'm thinking here after n seconds, I'm thinking after n seconds. Sir, why to take seconds only? Why not hours, sir? Means observe here, acceleration is which is given, which is in the form of seconds square, seconds. Velocity also 10 meters per seconds. So each and everything is related to seconds. So maybe total time takes also within seconds only happens. Okay, or otherwise after some time is bus moves so fastly he cannot reach that bus. Okay, so that's why after few seconds only they may be meet here. Okay, so I'm taking that only. Later after time takes to reach both bus and the man is n seconds. What is n? I don't know. That only I have to find according to the problem. Okay, now I'm starting. First I'm taking bus. I'm discussing. First bus I'm discussing. This part only I'm discussing. Bus I'm discussing. Bus, what is doing? What is happening to that bus? Related to bus, what are they? I'm going to discuss. Okay, here also clearly this bus is having, it's started at that position. Just now only it's started. Just now only started means we know very well the initial velocity is 0. Okay, that one I'm discussing. Okay, since since bus is at a rest, who said that pattern? In the problem is given, which is at a rest, bus which is at a rest, bus is at a rest. Bus is at a rest means starting position. Starting position means initial velocity is 0. So I'm taking, so initial velocity u is 0. That is u equal to 0. Already a is given. Acceleration of 1 meters per second means acceleration is given. So a equal to 1 meters per second square. Initial velocity means 0 meters per second. Okay. Now time already I fixed. Time t equal to n seconds. N seconds already I mentioned here. N seconds. So to this bus, I have 3 topics, 3 objects I have. What are those means? Acceleration I know, initial velocity u I know, total time taken one is n I know. Now totally 3 things I know. To these 3 things, to which one happened? To bus. To this bus, totally these 3 objects I have. Initial velocity 0, acceleration 1 meters per second square, time t equal to n. Then in motion chapter, we know very well we have 3 formulas. One is v equal to u plus at, another one is v square minus u square equal to 2as, third one is s equal to ut plus of at square. Now I'm taking third one I'm taking because I'm going to find total distance traveled. Actually what I'm doing means this bus, how much distance traveled I'm going to take. I'm going to find how much distance traveled by this bus only I'm finding. Okay, so we know s equal to ut plus of at square. That equal to s means u means 0 and t means n plus half asterisk a means it's given as 1, t means just now only I mentioned n square. 0 into n is 0 plus 1 into 1 by 2, n into square means n square. So that equal to 0 means waste. Half into n square is 1 into n square by 2. N square by 2 meters. Okay. So s means displacement. Nothing but the distance. So distance traveled by the bus is n square by 2 meters. So that one I am writing. So distance traveled by bus is n square by 2 meters. Any doubt with that one, students? No doubt, no? Just one time shortly. Okay. Now I have. Okay. Bus is moving and man also moving. But in this one, first I'm discussing bus. Only this bus part only I'm discussing. In the starting stage, the bus is at rest. So bus is at rest. So that's why initial velocity is 0. That's nothing but u equal to 0. Acceleration of the bus which is given. So that is nothing but a equal to 1 meter per second square. Time taken already we discussed now. Bus also have been taken n seconds. This person also have been taken n seconds. So time for this bus is n seconds. Now 3 things I have: initial velocity, acceleration, time. By the formula which is having these 3 things is s equal to ut plus of at square. In this formula I am substituting those all. Due to that part n square by 2 meters I got it. So distance traveled by the bus is n square by 2 meters. Now bus completed. Okay, now time. Now next another one is a person, a man. Now I'm discussing this person. Okay, this person how to do means okay, second part. This is the first part. Now second part. A man I'm discussing now. Man I'm discussing. Man. Here, man means I don't know anything. I know one thing. Only one thing I know. What is that means? The man starts running with the uniform velocity 10 meters per second. Uniform velocity. Man starts with the uniform velocity. So man also just only started with uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means he is not changing his speed. Every time that much speed, tuck, 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 he's moving. Same speed he is following. Okay, like that only he is running. Same speed. Same speed means everywhere same. Same means velocity is the same. So velocity equal to here. Velocity equal to 10 meters per second. That is given. So velocity of the man equal to velocity of the man equal to 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss. Actually, velocity means we know one formula. Okay. That's nothing but velocity equal to displacement by time. Displacement by time. Okay. Displacement by time. This is also velocity of the person only. This is also velocity of the man only. So these two are equated. Equal. Same things. So I'm equating. By equating displacement by time equal to displacement by time equal to 10 meters per second. Okay, 10 meters per second. That is nothing but displacement by time equal to 10 meters per means by second means 1 second. So by observing this part, displacement is happening 10 meters. Means displacement means total distance traveled. So displacement is displacement by the man is 10 meters. 10 meters. Displacement is the shortest distance. Shortest distance. Nothing but generally distance traveled by the man in 1 second is so that is distance traveled by the man in 1 second time is 10 meters. 10 meters. So what did I get? By using the velocity of the man person data, it's nothing but a given one. By observing this part, by observing this velocity, I understood and I got it as distance traveled per every 1 second 10 meters distance he traveled. But actually means this person traveled within 1 second 10 meters, again 10 meters, again 10 meters, like that it happened. Totally, suppose if it is a 5 seconds travel means 5 into 10, 50 seconds, 50 meters. Like that, how many seconds happened means already we took it as n seconds. So total distance traveled equal to total distance traveled by the man in n seconds time equal to n seconds time equal to distance into time, that equal to 10 meters into n. That's nothing but 10 into n, 10n. That is the matter. Total distance means this person traveled total distance 10n. Okay, this person traveled totally 10n meters. Bus traveled totally n square by 2. Bus traveled totally n square by 2. How do I know? Means already found. Okay, this is the bus distance traveled by the bus is n square by 2. Distance traveled by the bus is n square by 2. Distance traveled by the person is 10n. Just now I found. Okay, now I understood clearly. Total distance equal to distance traveled by the bus equal to, so it's clear that okay, distance traveled by the bus, distance traveled by the man equal to 48 meters plus distance traveled by bus. Observe clearly. Distance traveled by the man is nothing but 48 meters distance plus distance traveled by bus. Clearly observe, clearly, it's clear that one. This total distance is nothing but this distance plus this distance. This total equal to this plus this. Total distance by the man equal to this distance plus this distance. Okay, that's nothing but 10 n equal to 48 plus n square by 2. And that all I am writing. That's nothing but 10 n equal to 48 plus n square by 2. 48 plus n square by 2. Okay, now I'm simplifying. How means this 48 I'm sending this side. If I send this side 10n minus 48 because plus 48 becomes minus 48 equal to n square by 2. Doubt? No. Now this denominator 2 I'm sending this side. If I send denominator goes to numerator, so 2 of 10n minus 48 equal to n square. Opening brackets 2 times are 20 and minus 2 plus minus 2 48 are 96 equal to n square. Now this 2 I'm sending that side. Then 0 equal to n square minus 20n plus 96. That's nothing but n square minus 20n plus 96 equal to 0. This equal to that or that equal to 0, same. That's what I gave. Now last topic, it's going to close. Okay, now last one. Now this 20 I'm writing it as n square minus this 20, 12 plus 8 I'm writing n plus 96 equal to 0. Okay, then n square minus this n, now I'm sending inside. Means I'm simplifying that part. If I send inside minus 12 into n 12n plus 8 into n 8n plus 96 equal to 0. Okay, now I'm opening brackets. That's nothing but n square minus 12n minus into plus minus 8n plus 96 equal to 0. Now finally I'm going to take common. Common means these two I'm taking common and these two I'm taking common. Here possible one is n I'm taking common. If I take n common, one n came out, still another n is there, minus n came out, 12 is there. And the next two terms are there. From those two terms also I'm going to take common. What is a possible one means here negative symbol is there. Default I have to take that negative symbol common. If I take negative symbol common like this, and from those two 8 table goes, so 8 I'm taking, minus 8 came out, still n is there. Plus means I took out a minus symbol, still another minus is there, that minus I'm writing. 8 12s are 96, so 12 I'm writing equal to 0. Any doubt? No. Again observe clearly. Here minus 8 is there. In this 96 8 table goes 12 times, so that's why 8 I took common, minus 8 I took common, minus 8 came out, still n. Plus means minus into minus, 1 minus I took out common, still minus is there, that minus 12 times equal to 0. Last step. Okay, now come on students, last step. Now here n minus 2 is there, here n minus 2 is there. I'm taking common. So n minus 12, if I take out common, n, this came out minus 8 equal to 0. So n minus 12 equal to 0 and n minus 8 equal to 0. If I send that side, this also if I send that side, n equal to 0 plus 12, n equal to 0 plus 8, n equal to 12, n equal to 8. But he asks n means total time taken. N means total time taken 12 seconds or otherwise 8 seconds. So time taken is 12 seconds or 8 seconds. But he said small minimum time taken. Minimum time taken means a minimum value. So minimum time taken by bus and the man to reach at a point is 8 minutes. At 8 minutes. That's all. That's all. He asked how much time it takes to reach a point by those two objects. I found that as 8 minutes. Okay, shortly. All this you understood? Because the bus which is having initial velocity 0, acceleration, time already I consider n. By using those three things, if I use s equal to ut plus alpha t square, simplify n square by 2. So due to that part, I got it as this distance n square by 2. Already this distance I know 48 meters. Now I'm going to find total distance traveled by the person. Total distance traveled by the person. I'm going to take how means a man. To that man, the data I know only one thing, velocity 10 meters per second. Velocity means the formula displacement by time. If I equate those two things, 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second means 10 meters by second. If I equate those two, displacement equal to 10 meters. So displacement by the man is 10 meters. Total distance traveled by the man is 10 meters. So total in n seconds time. 1 second means 10 meters. 10 meters. 10 minutes. Like that totally n seconds. So distance into time gives 10 n. So total distance traveled by the person is 10 n. So now I understood total distance 10 n. But the total distance only separately this plus this. So we know very well we can equate those two. This total distance traveled by the man gives this distance plus distance traveled by the bus. That's what I gave. Equating, cross multiplying, sending the set, simplifying, splitting middle term, sending, opening brackets, taking common, equating. By that 2 n values I got it. But he asked minimum value. So minimum value is 8 minutes. That's all. Observe. Any doubt, students? No doubt, no? Thank you. Thank you, students. Bye. Bye.